Have you ever thought about retiring at 50? Well, it's not too late to think about it now. You may have saved enough money to sustain yourself through your later years. Or maybe you just burnt out from your 9-to-5 job. You want to quit before you get too old. Whatever your reasoning is, it's time to start thinking about your golden years. And today, we are going to talk about some ways you can reinvent retirement by starting an online business. So stay tuned, because we're getting started. 1. Reinvent retirement by leveraging what you already know. You may already have a skill set that you can use to make money online. For example, do you have a talent for crafting or painting? Sell your creations on Etsy or Shopify. Or maybe you're great at writing. Try freelance writing or blogging. If you're good with numbers, accounting and bookkeeping are always in need of capable people. Basically, if you have a skill you can monetize, you can probably sell it online. Don't underestimate what you already know. Chances are someone out there needs it. Now, of course, this doesn't mean you have to start selling your services for cheap. You still need to put a price tag on your skills based on the value you bring to the table. But the point here is that there are many different ways to earn an income online, and you don't always need to start from scratch. If you want to see some examples of how other people have used their skills to build successful businesses, check out the Entrepreneur website. They often feature stories of people who have taken their passions and turned them into profits. This can be a great source of inspiration as well as practical advice on how to go about starting your own business. 2. Become a virtual bookkeeper. Do you enjoy working with numbers? Are you detail-oriented and organized? If so, you may want to consider becoming a virtual bookkeeper. All you need to get started is a computer and an internet connection. The best part about this job is that you can set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. So whether you're retired or just looking for a flexible side hustle, becoming a virtual bookkeeper could be a great option for you. Plus, there's always demand for good bookkeepers, so you won't have trouble finding clients. Here's what makes this career path perfect for retirees. First, the barrier to entry is low. You don't need any special education or certifications to get started. All you really need is a basic understanding of accounting principles and a willingness to learn new software programs. Second, the job is relatively easy to learn. Once you understand the fundamentals of bookkeeping, it's pretty easy to pick up the rest. There are also plenty of resources available to help you get started, including online courses and tutorials. Finally, the pay is pretty good for the amount of work involved. As a virtual bookkeeper, you can expect to earn anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour. So it's definitely possible to make a decent income without having to work full-time. 3. Capitalize on your industry experience. One of the best things about being over 50 is that you have a wealth of knowledge and experience that younger people just have. After all, you've been around the block a few times, and you've learned a thing or two about life. But did you know that you can actually make money from your life experience? Yes, it's true. There are businesses that specifically cater to older workers and retirees looking to capitalize on their experience. So if you're looking to make some extra money in retirement, be sure to check these businesses out. You may be able to find a perfect opportunity for you to share your experience and expertise while earning some extra income. Some great places to start your search include websites like Guru and Upwork, where freelancers can connect with businesses in need of their services. So don't wait. Start exploring your options today and see how much money you can make from your life experience. Who knows, you may just be able to supplement your retirement income and live the lifestyle you've always wanted. 4. Attend events in your industry. One of the best ways to meet people in your industry is to attend events. This could be conferences, trade shows, meetups, or even social events. The more people you meet, the better your chances are of finding someone who needs your services. When you attend an event, be sure to bring your business cards and have them ready to hand out. Be prepared to talk about what you do and how you can help others in your industry. Networking is essential to success in any field. but it can be especially helpful for those over 50. Many companies are looking for experienced professionals to join their team, and attending events is a great way to show employers that you're interested in working. Additionally, it can be a great way to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in your industry. By staying current, you'll be able to better serve the needs of your clients and customers and position yourself as an expert in your field. So, if you're over 50 and looking to start a new career, be sure to attend some industry events. You never know who you might meet. 5. Get a mentor. A mentor can provide you with valuable guidance and support as you navigate the challenges of starting a new business. Mentors can help you avoid common pitfalls and can offer advice on how to overcome obstacles. Having someone to turn to for help and advice can be invaluable, especially when you're first starting out. In addition to providing guidance and support, mentors can also help you stay accountable. When you have someone who is invested in your success, you're more likely to stick to your goals and take the steps necessary to achieve them. They can help you develop a plan and then hold you accountable for following through on your commitments. This can be a great way to stay focused and motivated, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed. Another way that mentors can help you succeed is by providing you with opportunities that you may not have otherwise had. Mentors often have a wide network of contacts and can open doors that would otherwise be closed to you. They may be able to introduce you to potential customers, partners, or investors. Having access to this type of network can be a game changer, especially when you're trying to break into a new industry or market. Overall, having a mentor can significantly increase your chances of success when starting a new business. If you're over 50 and looking to start a new venture, consider reaching out to someone who has experience in your industry. A good mentor can provide you with the guidance, support, accountability, and opportunities you need to succeed. 6. Learn how to price your services. If you're like most people, you probably don't know how to charge for your services. Maybe you feel like you need to charge more, but you're not sure how to justify it. Or maybe you're charging too little and you're just not making enough money. Whatever the case may be, it's important to know how to price your services so that you can be fairly compensated for your work. Otherwise, you're doing yourself and your business a disservice. There are a number of different ways to price your services. You can charge by the hour, by the project, or even by the value you bring to your clients. It's important to choose a pricing method that works best for you and your business. When setting your prices, be sure to take into account the value of your time and expertise. Don't undervalue yourself or your services. Remember, you're only worth as much as you think you are. If you're not sure how to set your prices, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of resources available to help you figure out what your services are worth. Pricing your services is an important part of running a successful business. Be sure to take the time to figure out what works best for you and your business. 7. Learn how to be tech savvy. Do you feel like you're falling behind because of your lack of technical skills? Are you struggling to keep up with the ever-changing world of technology? If so, don't worry. It's never too late to learn how to be tech savvy. With a little effort and practice, you can become proficient in using the latest technologies and stay ahead of the curve. So whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to stay up to date with the times, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn how to be tech savvy. Embrace the learning process and don't be afraid to experiment with new gadgets and software programs. You may be surprised at what you're capable of. So if you're over 50 and feeling intimidated by technology, don't despair. With some effort and practice, you can become tech savvy in no time. 8. Learn web development. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, look no further than web development. Web developers are in high demand and the job outlook is excellent. Plus, it's a career that offers a lot of flexibility and room for growth. If you're over 50, you may be wondering if it's too late to learn web development. The answer is absolutely not. With the right training and practice, anyone can become a web developer regardless of age. In fact, Many employers actually prefer to hire older workers because they tend to be more reliable and experienced. Plus, you may be able to leverage your existing skills and experience to land a job in web development. For example, if you have experience in another technical field, such as computer programming or IT, that could be a valuable asset to employers. In addition, web development is a career that offers a lot of flexibility. Many web developers work remotely and set their own hours. This can be a great option if you are looking for a career that offers a better work-life balance. If you're over 50 and looking for a new challenge, consider learning web development. With the right training and practice, you can land a rewarding career that offers excellent job security and flexibility. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you're looking for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.